lecture on NCERT examples. So last class repetition letters, that means similar letters are given, how to find out models I explained. Now I am going to execute problems. Let us see the question number 1. Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word Allahabad. So Allahabad word given. So firstly, what to do? We have to count the number of numbers. Total number of letters in the word Allahabad is equal to 9. Of which check whether English alphabet letter repeated. Find the English alphabet letter repeated letters. So what are the alphabet letters here? A. Number of A's is equal to, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So number of A's is equal to 4. And number of L's is equal to 1, 2 only there. And check, is there any other English alphabet letter repeated? No. So and rest are different. And the rest are different here. The required number of arrangements. So how to write total number of arrangements, and we need to do some adjustments. Adjustment meaning what? Further divide 4 factorial into further 2 factorial. So this is the right answer. So we want simplify. N factorial I can write 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. Now we cancel that 4 factorial, and 2 also goes to 3 times. This total value multiply 9 into 8, 72 into 21 into 5. So this answer 7560 base. 7560 base. So like we have to find the similar letters given model problems. Very important. So for one more question is. Next problem is, let us take how many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if repetition of digit is not allowed. So repetition is not allowed means we do not reuse the same numbers. So which digit number we have to form? 4-digit numbers we need here. Using counting principle we done. So we can apply any method. So I follow in this case formula method. We can already this method problems given. Okay, given digits are 1 to 9. So total digits equal to how many are there? 9 are there. We have to form 4-digit numbers without repetition. So create the 4 positions. I have 9 digits are available. I have 4 positions. How many ways could I arrange 9 digits in 4 positions? So I could have arranged 9p4 ways. So this is equal to, using formula this is 9p4. Also we can write simply 4 numbers, so we don't write in division. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So multiply. So how much this value? 72 into 42 that is. So this answer is 3024. 3024 base. So using formula 9p4. Okay, we should write only 4 numbers. C given means division value also. You practice this concept. Next, I am going to question number 3. How many numbers lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the repetition of the digits is not allowed? So let us take digits of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to form which digit numbers between 100 and 1000. Only 3 digit numbers are there. We do not have 2 digit numbers and 4 digit numbers. So we must form 3 digit numbers. Condition is general condition since repetition is not allowed. Okay. And one more thing, there is a primary condition. What is the primary condition? 0. So remember, 0 cannot use in the first place. 0 cannot use in the first place. Okay. If I take 0, 1, 2, it is not we should not say, I do not say 3 digit number. So 0 should not use in the first place. So how many digits are available here? Without 0, I have 5 digits are available. How many ways could I fill in the first position? I have to fill in 5 ways. Now there are how many positions are left? I have the 2 positions. Here 0 is allowed in the second position. So now numbers are remaining since repetition is not allowed means there are 5 digits again remaining. So 2 positions, 5 numbers are filled in 5p2 ways. This is the formula basic. Or else you can do it counting principle method. So I written number of ways to fill in the first place equal to 5 ways. Since 0 cannot use in the first place, that is the reason. Now I have the 5 digits, 2 positions. Number of ways to fill the remaining 2 positions is equal to 5p2 ways. What do I do? Do I do multiplication or addition? Multiplication. Why? Because I do not stop in the first place. Further I filled. Second position as well as third position. So by using fundamental principle of multiplication, required number of ways equal to 5 into 5p2 ways. Further I simplify. 5 into 5p2 means 5 into 4 enough. Don't write in denominator, in combination only denominator. So this is equal to 25 into 4, 100 ways. Is it clear? Okay. This is the third question. Important this time. All of you practice this problem. Because permutation combination chapter very important in competitive point of view. Now I am going to question number 4. Find the value of n such that first bit np5 is equal to 42 into np3, where n is greater than 4. Like second problem also there. I will give first bit, second problem, same model questions. You do it like this. Okay. Firstly, I take np5 is equal to 42 into np3. Now np5 meaning write the number of terms. So 5 numbers. So n. So descending order. That means one number taking less. Write in descending order up to 5 terms. n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 equals 42 into np3. np3, 3 numbers, descending order, n minus 1, n minus 2. Now Multiply n square minus 7n, simplify minus 30 equal to 0. It is called quadratic equation. Using Taylor's formula or else factorization method, simplify. Here factor minus 7n, I would have write minus 10n plus 3n. Now factorization, n is equal to n will be 10 or n is minus 3. But condition has given n should be more than 4. So what is the right answer? N is equal to 10 is the final answer. Like we have to do it the problem, very important is for 2 marks. Next here only I will do the one more question. Second bit do yourself. Same model problem. So NP4 n minus 1 P4 simplify. I hope that you understand this logic, very easy. Now I am going to do question number 5. Take the next question. Find the value of R. Next problem I write here. These two questions important. Find the value of R such that 5 into 4PR equals 6 into 5PR minus 1. 5 into 4PR equals 6 into 5PR minus 1. So take this problem. How to solve? Let us take given condition. Given condition 5 into 4PR equals 6 into 5PR minus 1. 6 into 5PR minus 1. So now using formula, permutation formula, 5 into 4PR, that formula remember n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So we can get number is r, unknown number. 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial. This is the NPR formula. NPR is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So is equal to 6 into 5 factorial upon 6 minus r minus 1 factorial. That becomes, so multiply with minus 6 minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay. So using formula we get like this. N factorial upon n minus r factorial. Simplify this answer. I would have write 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial. Here before to simplifying, you must observe that which are the smaller numbers, which are the greater numbers. In between 5 factorial and 4, smaller number is 4. Okay, smaller numbers do not change. So greater number should write in the form of small. That means here you should write in descending order always. In between these two numbers, which is the smaller number, 4 minus r is the small number. So do not change small number. Big numbers always convert that is. 5 factorial, I would have write 5 into 4 factorial. Upon this number 6 minus r plus 1. Next, reducing 1 unit. So decreasing 6 minus r factorial. Okay, 6 minus r up to 4 factorial we required here. 6 minus, next one 6 minus r minus 1. 7 minus 4, that is actually 6 plus 1 is 7. One number only reduced here. 6 minus r plus 1, 6 minus or minus 1, that 5. Okay, next term 6 minus or minus 2 factorial becomes 4. 4 minus r. So one number is reducing here. Now simplify this one. So if you feel any difficulty here, simplify directly. 6 minus or plus 1, nothing but this value. I will write one more way. 6 minus this is 5 now. Sorry. 5 minus or plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 is equal to what? 6. This is nothing but actually I will write here 6 minus or factorial. 6 minus or factorial, one number reducing. We get 6 minus or into 6 minus or minus 1. Reducing means it becomes 5 minus or. Next term becomes 4 minus or factorial. Okay. So write in the descending order, reducing by 1 unit always. Now cancel that like terms, 4 factorial and 5 also cancel. 4 minus or factorial also cancel. Cross multiply 6 minus or into 5 minus or is equal to 6. Multiply 6 into 5, 30. And minus 6 or minus 5 or minus 11 or plus r square is equal to 6. And taking this side, r square arranging order 11 or plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, 30 minus 6, 24. Minus 5 or minus 6 or. So now find out the factors. What are the factors here? 24 is there. How to write? 6 into 4. 10 only there here. And 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 6, 3 to the 6. 12. 12 into 2. 24. What are the factors here? R square minus 11 or plus 24 is equal to 0. So middle number is 11. How to write that one? Middle number, how to write? Is there any method? So 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 11. So I can write this number R square minus 8 or minus 3 or plus 24 is equal to 0. So we get factors. Taking common, r minus 8 into r minus 3 is equal to 0. So what are the r values? R is equal to 8 or r is equal to 3. Is there any condition given? No. Therefore r will be either 3 or 8. So like we have to solve these type of questions. Find the value of or find the value of n using formula we have to write here. If suffix given, we can easily write answer. Okay? Understood this problem? Now I am going to the next question, TD question. Take all of you. Next problem. That is, find the number of different 8-letter arrangements. Question number 6. Find the number of Find the number of different eight-letter arrangements that can be formed from the letters of the word, from the letters of the word daughter, DAUGHTER, so that the first bit all the vowels occur together. All the vowels occur together. Second bit, all the vowels do not occur together. All the vowels do not occur together. So this problem, how to solve? So last class I explained these type of questions for sake of understanding girls and boys problem. I explained them. So what is the problem? All the four girls are together and all the four girls do not together. Okay? Okay, firstly we have to find out number of letters in the given word. Answer. So how many letters word we have to form? 5 letter words. So firstly, number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the word. Which word is given? Daughter given. DAUGHTER. How many are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. This is equal to 8. Check. Do we have any repeated letter? Check. English repeated alphabet letter D. Not repeated. AUGHTER. All will be different here. A is not there, U not there, G not there, HTER. Okay. So here, how many ways could I write all these letters taking at a time? In which one are the vowels? In which vowels? Vowels are, how many are there? Find out. Vowels and consonants. Vowels are, what are the vowels? A, U, E. Only 3 vowels are there. And consonants. And consonants are D, G, H, T, R. Vowels are A, U, E, and consonants are D, G, H, T, R. Okay, this is the given. Total number of arrangements. So, how many ways? Required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements taking all at a time. Required number of arrangements taking all at a time is equal to 8p 5 ways. 8p 8 ways. That is equal to what? 8 factorial ways. Now, first big one is that is since. consider the three vowels as one unit. So we are writing consider three vowels as one unit. One unit I consider like this. Consider three vowels as one unit. Now how many objects are there? Now there are how many are there? Consonants, how many? 5 consonants, 5 letters plus 1 unit of vowels. Total is equal to how many? 5 plus 1? 6 different objects. 6 objects. How many ways would I fill all these vowels? Okay. So the number of arrangements, taking 6 objects at a time. So the number of arrangements I am writing here. The number of arrangements taking all at a time. Taking all at a time is equal to 6 factorial ways. But so in out of 6 factorial 7020, one of the arrangement you can take. That is 3 vowels. Can you arrange these 3 vowels among themselves? Yes. How many ways could I arrange among themselves? So keeping the positions those are the same, we can arrange among themselves is equal to 3 factorial ways. But all vowels can arrange among themselves is equal to 3 factorial ways. So by the fundamental principle of multiplication, therefore by fundamental principle of multiplication, required number of ways such that all vowels are together. All vowels are together is equal to 6 factorial into 3 factorial ways. 6 factorial value we know that 720 into 6. This is equal to 0, 6 2 is 12, 1 carry 42, that is 4320 ways. This is the first question. The total number of arrangements taking all at a time. So okay, now first question is what? All vowels are together. Together means what to do? Club them and treat as one unit. Now count the total number of different objects. 5 consonants plus 1 unit of girl is equal to 6 objects totally. This can be done in 6 factorial ways. But these 3 vowels also we can arrange among themselves in the same box. This can be done in 3 factorial ways. Why? Because firstly I completed this one as well as I done in the girls. That means here vowels. So this by using fundamental principle of multiplication, 6 factorial into 3 factorial ways, further you simplify. Now I am going to the question number 2. Do not here. So the question is do not. So how to find do not together? Total minus all together. Total minus all together only. So I am taking the question number 2. So remember that is number of arrangements formula I followed directly. Number of arrangements this formula is equal to what? Number of arrangements taking all at a time. Number of arrangements taking all at a time without restriction. Okay, total number of arrangements is total number of arrangements taking all at a time minus number of arrangements such that all the vowels are together. All the vowels are together. This is the formula. Okay, do not together is equal to total minus all together. Total is equal to how many? 8 factorial it is. 8 factorial minus all together, that is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. 8 factorial value, how much that is? 5040, that is 7 factorial into 8. 0, 32, 40, 40320. 40320 minus 4320. This is equal to, simplify, so 0, 0, 0, 40 minus 36,000. So this is the total number of arrangements of all the vowels do not occur together. So vowels occur together, very easy model but important. Tomorrow class also we complete one more question here. Okay, that is very important. Independence problem is there. Then after completion of that one, I will give the exercise problems. Okay.